Hello friend, you ever feel like the world is a system and you're just another user without root access? Today I'm not just logging in, I'm breaking in. This isn't a tutorial, it's an exposure. We don't just break into systems, we break the illusion. Got a ping from F Society. IP address dropped. Find 3 keys to prove myself. Let's show them who we are. I acknowledged. Starting recon with nmap, port 80, web, port 22, SSH. A classic setup. It's always the same story. Services, fingerprints, misconfigurations. Let's peel back the surface. Target is online. A forgotten blog, a WordPress site, obsolete security, open ports. They never see it coming. Enumerate, the art of asking the right questions. What directories hide behind this curtain? Admin, WP, login, license. Every path is a potential crack in the system. The mask slips. /robots.txt. An old trick, but people still forget. Found something. fsociety.dic and a key. First clue. It's like they're inviting me in. Beautiful login page. A little too polished. Before we kick down the front door, let's do what most people don't. Look closer. Requests, responses, the invisible chatter between client and server. That's where the truth hides. And there it is. A base 64 encoded piece of garbage. They thought no one would notice, but we did. Decoded it. Got the password. This is why you check everything. Headers, hidden fields, side doors. Every system has cracks. And if you didn't find the password like we did, don't worry. I'll show you how to crack it the old-fashioned way. We start with Burp. Intercepted the login request. Raw, unfiltered. Post to/wp-login.php, parameters, log for username, pwd for password, the response, invalid username. That's our signal. You see, most people rush in with tools, but the real exploit is patience. We now have everything we need. The endpoint, the fields, and the failure condition. That's where Hydra comes in, brute forcing. It's not elegant, but when the door won't open, you don't ask permission, you break it down. Using their own word list, we got earlier, we filtered the unique usernames and one password. Hydra's syntax is simple but deadly. First, find the username, one crack at the mask. They built the wall, we just found the scene. We found the username, Elliot. Of course, it had to be me. It's always been me. But this isn't ego, this is a mirror. And now the system speaks differently. No more invalid username. The error changed, that matters. If you're a penetration tester, note this down. Behavior shifts are tells, little cracks in the armor. Now it's time. The password's still unknown, but the method hasn't changed. We use the same list, fsocity.dic, their own words, this time with a fixed user. No more guessing names. Slow, relentless, inevitable. That password is in there, waiting to be found. Let's extract the truth. Credentials worked. I'm in. WordPress dashboard, admin level. This isn't just a foothold, this is control. Themes, plugins, uploads, every setting, every file exposed. They handed me the keys. Now it's time to turn this access into execution. Let's upload something destructive. We've got a shell. They're limited, but it's a start. A digital whisper, proof we're inside. But this isn't stable. It's fragile. One wrong move and the connection dies. Let's fix that. Spawn a TTY. Give it structure. Python. C, import pty, pty.spawn, bin bash, export, term, xterm. Now it feels real, like I belong here. Time to move. 2 keys left. Somewhere in this file system, hidden in plain sight. Let's find them before they notice the breach. Found 2 files inside home robot, of course. Oh, that user again. My mirror. Access denied, no read permission on the key, typical. But the hash? That's ours now. MD5, weak, old, that's still in use by people stuck in 2006. We dump it, and now we crack it. The attack begins. Look at this password. Seriously? Who uses AFilmBookIJKLMOOMNWSGHEA as a password? This isn't hacking. This is babysitting incompetence. Let's move on. We've got the password. Let's become robot and get closer to root. Two keys down. The boss is happy. Not that I care, but we're close. Closer than they think. Time to escalate. We need root. Let's see which binaries we can abuse. Set UID. The overlooked privilege jackpot. There it is. Our old friend nmap. A version vulnerable to interactive shell execution. They left a weapon on the shelf. All we had to do was pick it up. Nmap, interactive, then exclamation sh, root access. Just like that. Game over. System owned. But this wasn't about flags. It was about control. About proving that every system, no matter how secure it looks, has a crack. And then the boss said, this was just a test. The mission is coming. I didn't ask questions, I just said, I'm waiting. But before anything else, I had to disappear. Cleared every log, erased every footprint. No traces, no IPs, no breadcrumbs for digital forensics. Now it's like I was never here. And that's the point, isn't it? You don't hack systems for glory. You do it because the world forgot to patch itself. And you just rewrote the rules. No one knows. No one can find me. See you in phase 2, friend.